Okay. Now the next step is let's figure out the person's actual grade. So what I'll do here is let's create here let midterm status, and we're going to say here if input score is greater or equal to 65, we're going to put in the word passing, comma, not comma, sorry, colon, failing. So let's see what's happening here. This is the condition here. This will evaluate to either true or false. If it is true, the value after the question mark is passed into midterm status. If it is false, then the value failing will be passed into midterm status. And then of course we have to output it midterm status. Let's save that, and midterm status now should contain either the value of failing or passing. Let's do a Control C here. Let's restart the server and let's run it again. Midterm is passing. That's the input score. Let's give the person a 55. Person is now failing. And let's just do one more score of 100. And that seems to be working great. Now, this code works okay. The thing I don't like about this is when this gets to be a little bit more difficult, meaning that there's more logic involved. Let's say my boss wants to say, well, you know, if the person puts in an invalid grade of, let's say, anything above 100, or maybe a negative grade, we should put in a message that's saying this is out of range. Now, as of right now, we can add another if statement here, but one of the things I hate to do is to make this area crowded. This area should basically, basically get the midterm status, get the data, and just display it out to the real world. You shouldn't have a lot of logic here, or it becomes very crowded and hard to maintain. In the next video, we will talk about how to separate this and make your own module. That way this area does not get crowded. When I code, I like to keep my code very small and straight to the point. It does one thing and it does it really well. That means your code is easy to maintain and it is easy to test. With that, good luck and good coding.